Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. Today we're looking at this 2012 Honda CR-V. The emissions components shown in this video, or pointed out in this video, should be the same on this 2012 to a 2016 year model with the same engine. We're looking at a 4-cylinder 2.4 liter engine. I'll be pointing out various emissions locations. Look at the emissions label first. This tells you what emissions components you have on your vehicle. This vehicle is equipped with air-fuel ratio sensors rather than oxygen sensors that are notated in the video to come as well. But they are pretty much the same thing. Airflow ratio sensors are more accurate, we could say. To start off, you have the PCV valve right here on top on the passenger side, or to the passenger side of the intake manifold. Real easy to see and to get to. One of the very commonly overlooked maintenance that is overlooked. If you do need a PCV valve, make sure you look for a link in the description to buy that part, please. And I do my best to get you the best price on those parts. Next, we're going to have the Evap Purge solenoid, or Vapor Purge solenoid. This is the solenoid that the computer uses to recirculate emissions vapors into the intake manifold rather than the atmosphere when the system gets overpressurized. If you're having a problem filling your gas tank, this would not be your issue, or probably not your issue, and you should be looking at your vent solenoid in that case. A faulty purge solenoid can cause a few different evap codes on top of the purge solenoid code. So if you have like an evap leak, large or small leak, it could be this solenoid stuck open. But same with the vent solenoid. But this is your purge solenoid right here on the engine side of the vehicle. Next, we have the bank 1, sensor 1 air fuel ratio sensor in this case. If you have a lean code, or, well, you wouldn't get a lean, you would get a stoichiometric low code, I believe it would be called, then you might have a oxygen sensor problem. But I wouldn't just replace in that case. If you had a heater circuit malfunction, for sure I would replace it in that case. So the oxygen sensor itself could be bad if you get an oxygen sensor code, or it could just be letting you know that you have an issue and you need to do some manual diagnosis to see what the problem is. The catalytic converter is right below that oxygen sensor. Here we're going to go ahead and look under the vehicle so we can get to your bank 1 sensor 2 oxygen sensor. This is the oxygen sensor, actually air fuel ratio sensor, that the computer uses to measure the efficiency of the catalytic converter. You can see you have two cats. Only your front catalytic converter is monitored by the computer. The back one right here to the left is not. Here you are, bank 1, sensor 2, oxygen sensor, but it is actually an air fuel ratio sensor, I believe. Link will be in the description to buy one of those parts if needed. I appreciate you watching. If this video helped you, make sure you drop a comment below with the year, make, and model that it did help you on. Make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave. Like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you on the next, hopefully helpful video.